How to log in to Liberty Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in to Liberty Bank online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Liberty Bank online account. And now you can click on the first search which says www.libertybank.com. Now to log in, first you have to enter your username of your online banking account, and after entering your username on the first blank you have to enter your password on the next one, and after entering your username and password you can click on login. But if you forgot your username or if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot username or forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot username if you forgot your username, and you can click on forgot password if you forgot your password. Or if you don't have an account, then you can click on enroll now and then you can create your account. But if you remember your credentials, then simply enter your username and password and then you have to click the login button. And that's it. That's the way to log into your Liberty Bank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.